5.2-inch Full HD display isn't as high-res as expected for the price. HDR support provides an excellent viewing for video. The display on the Sony Xperia XZ1 is another feature you would expect to see on a flagship Android phone in 2017. What you get is a Gorilla Glass 5 covered 5.2-inch 1080p display. At this size the screen is sharp, text is easy to read and images are rendered with a high level of detail. However, for the same money, and in some cases less, you can nab a flagship smartphone with a QHD display from a rival, providing even more detail, color and punch direct to your eyeballs. Considering that Sony has already slapped a 4K display on the Xperia XZ Premium, it makes the decision to drop all the way back to 1080p on the XZ1 all the more puzzling. It's not all bad news though, as Sony has added HDR support to the screen on the XZ1, which means you can enjoy bright, clearer and more impactful visuals from supported services including YouTube, Amazon Prime, and Netflix. Videos with HDR support look impressive on the XZ1's display, and it makes for an enjoyable viewing experience. The chunky bezels above and below the display are useful here too, as it gives you somewhere to rest your thumbs without covering any of the display.